Hey guys, I got some window film for a window here. Looks really clean and beautiful. So this is the window. I wanted some kind of protection, so I got this window film. To install it is very simple. All you need is water spray and a scissor and a tape measure to measure the window dimensions. So make sure you measure the window dimensions first, have it ready. Then you clean your window, make sure it's all clean of any grime. Then measure the film, cut it, and then come back to the window, spray the water so that the window film can stick on it, and then you put it up and you wipe it down and the window film is ready. So as you can see, it's really easy to install. It's got a great look, protects your space from unwanted sunlight and gives you a lot of privacy.